Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I am very excited to show you my lineup. I did make a little edit, so let's go through that first. So I did move this kit, and the reason being is I thought there was too much orange in a row. So I moved Zombino, which if you'll see, it's like red, orange, rainbow, and then it would have been orange. I thought it was too much orange, so I just went ahead and moved this kit here, which I'm happy with. So then it goes like the burgundy, orange. I think I have decided to use the olive. I think this is olive from Planet Hannah, and I'm just like going with it. I'm not sold, but I'm also like kind of just want to see what happens. And then I did order some new things for these kits. It'll be in my Planet Hannah haul, which will be in my next month haul. So whenever I get those things, I'll like show you where I plan on putting them. So let's go through the things. I feel like sometimes I'm like, I've looked at this so much and like sat and like talked through it in my brain so many times that I'm like, did I actually do that, or was that in my head? I'm not sure. So first things first is I am using Not So Scary. All of my kits are from Scroll Prints Co., my shop, and I bring home the Ultimate. I also bring home the Doodle, and then depending if there's an extra color, I will bring it home, and I am doing red foil, so I wanted to bring in some of the red stickers possibly. We'll see. And then I also brought home the kids just because it's like just an extended extra characters. Like you have Captain Hook and then the Evil Queen. So I just like it for that purpose. I don't have like, none of my kids are dressing up as that, but I thought they were cute. And then for foil, I'm using the Planet Hannah red sparkly foil. And I think this was a freebie. I don't think I ordered it necessarily for this, but it's like red with stars and sparkly drip, which kind of reminds me of blood. So I might put these on something. I might not. Because also like Disney stuff doesn't really remind me of blood. But I figured I would just set it in here. And when the time comes, it comes. If you saw my last haul, I did order these. Like basically it's the custom script sheet. I just requested them all in the same font. And then I typed out like my most used scripts. And then I just ordered it in all the foils that I had planned to purchase, and then I just saved a document on my notes app of this list so that for future, like if I'm going to be using olive or something, I can order the sheet with all of my most used scripts on it, and then whenever I'm done, I could just keep it with the foil leftovers for other spreads. I also have the script sampler in the new font, the date numbers. I have the confetti headers. These are all in sparkly red. The hole reinforcers, the confetti, and I like to chop these up so I can use some with 4 corners, but then I'll like chop it off like this and make it a tall box, chop it off like this, make it a double box, do every other corner. So I get way more than 8 boxes out of this. So that's confetti 4, and then I have line because I'll probably put 1 or 2 of these in there. And then I have the black bougie because I'm going to layer. I love layering. If I'm going to use Planet Hannah underlays, 95% of the time I'm going to layer it with bougie because I'm extra and I like the way it looks. I did initially buy Spidey for that, but I actually, since then, Hannah has released the Poison Apple, and like when else are you going to use that? So I decided to order that in red, so y'all will see that. I don't know if I ordered anything else, but I remember that specifically I ordered for this spread. So I'm going to switch the, I can actually just take them out now because I'm not going to use them with this. I'll save these for another year. I'll probably just keep it with the red possibly. I don't know. But I ordered those. So that is my October 3rd through the 8th kit. The next kit I am going, which I think this is the way that I lay this out, is we're going to be in Disney a couple of days this week, or a day or a couple of days. I don't remember. But this is the week we're going to Disney. We're going to Disney for Bennett's birthday week. So I'm very excited about that. So I normally use their like birthday kits, but his birthday party is going to be the next week. So it all worked out. I think I did that maybe last year for his birthday too. Honestly, I don't remember. But this is the kit. I don't know why I pulled it out. What am I doing? I don't pull out kits. This is Spooky Magique. Again, I have the Ultimate here. It's so pretty. I don't know if I used this when it first came out, because I was very like, I want to use these when I go to Disney and it'd be like a vibe, a whole thing. So I have this kit, right? And then as far as extras, I have this, which I don't, oh, I brought this just in case I needed some extra stuff for, like throughout the week, because I'm probably gonna have a lot of extenders. The extra color, which is this really pretty pumpkin orange, but I don't know if I'm gonna use it because I feel like it's not a direct match with this. I mean, it's not horrible, but this one's a little bit more of like a hot orange. This is more of a pumpkin orange. I don't know. But we'll see. I have the regular and magical doodles, and then I have these so that I can make like a little split hair moment, and then maybe use this. I'll probably choose this one. All my kids' hairs are kind of brown now, so it's like whatever. But I thought I could do like a split dye moment and make it cute. I don't know. Also love the tattoos on her. She's adorable. So there is the kit, and then I decided to use Hannah's pumpkin, and then I have some extras from my shop. I think this was copper. So you could kind of see the difference, but I think it'll be fine. So basically, I have the Mickey pumpkin underlays, and I thought that it would be cool to do these. I don't know if I'm going to do bougie with these because these are kind of small. I also have the same scripts, and then I have this, which is Happy Birthday Bennett, Mickey's Not So Scary, and Happy Halloween and Boo. I'm not using orange that week, well, the same color orange for like actual Halloween week. So I think I might, wait, I mean, those are kind of close. I might actually put this so I could use the Boo on this spread because I think that would be cute. And then whenever I'm done, I'll move these two to this kit. So it's Happy Birthday Bennett and Mickey's Not So Scary. That'd be really cute. And then from my shop, this is like an old foil bundle copper twinkle. I thought that I could use these and then it would just kind of vibe. They're just different colors of orange. I think neither one match perfectly, but I think like combined, because these will just be underlays and then these will just be like overlay type things. I don't know. And then I also brought out this because I was thinking the 15 millimeter, I wanted to use the black, but this is, let me show you. Let me pull out my phone. This is like a really pretty like confetti black. And I thought that honestly, these colors, like whenever you shine the light on it and it shows the confetti, like having like the different hollow colors in there, I think matches the kit really well. So it's kind of going to come down to whatever I feel like. Realistically, I might end up just doing, since black isn't one of the main colors, I think the black foil bundle could be really cool. And then just doing the Plain Hannah underlays and then not using any of this foil bundle at all. And maybe just pulling in a couple of these boxes. And then, I don't know. Well, I mentioned that sometimes I just put a lot of stuff together and then I just like hope for the best, see what happens. But then I can like make my choices then. And like sometimes that actually works out the best for me, is to have a bunch of different options. And then I can just put them back in my collection if I don't use them. The next week is Bennett's birthday party week. And I did Level Up 2.0. This I had Jess recolor. She's so kind to do so. I love you, Jess. This art is so good in both colorways. This one is like the brighter, like more like classic like video game colors, and the other one's more pastel. I did bring home both of the add-on label samplers. I thought bringing it in, I want to make it rainbow. And initially when I had Jess recolor this, I just was like red, green, yellow, and blue. So, and then she like did some of the purple and like orange. Well, that wasn't orange. I think I recolored like these purple, this orange, maybe that orange, but like just to bring in more of the rainbowness. Cause I just loved it with like that. Like, I bet it doesn't play Fortnite, but you know, I just thought like the rainbow, because I was going to use just like silver, but then once I saw like the colors she added to kind of like make it rainbow, I was like, okay, well, we're going to do rainbow foil now. So have the doodles, and then I made myself a custom fam sheet. So this is a Bennett custom I had made for the Barbie birthday, which was the second birthday, I believe. And basically he just has on a black, and it's kind of like pixelated. So it's like he loves the Ender Dragon from Minecraft. So purple shorts and then the black pixelated hoodie. And then I just did like a little split dye moment on her, and I thought this could be like little TT. So that was way cute. And then, like I said, I am doing rainbow because honestly, it's like the only choice. It's the only choice because how often do you get to use rainbow? And when you have the option or like the chance, you need to. So I have the pixel underlays from Planet Hannah. Hannah sent me 3 of these. She's like, you might have extenders. So these were made with this kit in mind. Also, this was made with this kit in mind is the Minecraft overlays. We'll definitely use those. I have the rainbow of the scripts. And then I have this one. This is Happy Birthday Bennett, Little Gamer Dude. And then I just have some extra ones for a kit that I'm planning to use it with in the future. Also in rainbow, I have some stuff from my shop. I have a rainbow label sampler. Oh, I have the rainbow headers from Planet Hannah. But I also have a lot of other ones, so I don't know which I'm going to use. I also have these 2, which are like freebies that Hannah has sent out in rainbow. I have some Sadie's stickers stuff in rainbow that I was like, I might as well just pull out and see if I can use any of it. So maybe I'll use like these bows, like maybe like the pink and the purple, or like something will look really good, or like this one. I don't know. There's just so many options, and I'll just kind of like pull it out then. But I also like this one. This is an old format confetti, chunky confetti foil bundle. And I like how it's like rainbow this way. So I don't know, because I have like full box overlays, headers, there's confetti version of that. There's the confetti version. I think I don't know actually what I like. I like it all. So that, but it'd actually be cool, I think. Hold on. I don't know if this is the same. I don't remember what the bottom washi looks like, but it might be cool to do it on top of a black. I want to stick it in there because I am into doing really crazy things that are going to be regrets, but it might work out really, really cute. So let's see what the 15 millimeter looks like. I don't remember. So many kids every week. I could do like the confetti like on the black, and then there's this rainbow one, and having the black bows with the rainbow around it. It could be lit. I like it. Okay, I think I'm definitely doing that because that is just the kind of extra I need. But rainbow with this spread is literally everything. I have another kit coming out that is very much rainbow and like foil rainbow color, and oh gosh, so beautiful. And I have a foil bundle coming. It's like a whole thing. You'll see. You'll see. Then I have Zombino, which I showed y'all last time. Since then, I've just added hole protectors because I'm going to need them, and I'll probably forget if I don't. I have the Halloween foil from my shop, some Halloween freebie from my shop. I have this sheet from Crest Press that I was saving because I still like these bows. So I was like, kind of want to use them somewhere. And they just have like little bats and spiders, but I use the rest of the kit. I also have the movie Crest Press Sparkly Hollow, these Planet Hannah header overlays. I'm probably not going to use them. I just stuck them in here to remember I wanted to use these because they're like literally everything with this kit. This is pink hollow, blue hollow, and purple hollow match, and then with the black bougie underneath. I also have the sparkly hollow drip. So that is Zombino, which y'all saw before, but I figured I would show you again. Then last but not least, for my October lineup, I have Spooky Night, which I'm trying to like figure out my life about this, but I'm pretty sure this is what I'm doing. Very simple. So I just made myself a custom fam again, the split hair, and then I just did the two like with different baskets and stuff. So same difference, really. I just love this. I don't think I used it when it first came out. There was so many good Halloween arts that came out this year, I think. And I just like didn't use this one. I was like, oh, I'll use it the next year. And that's like literally a hole to get into because there's going to be great art next year too. So I'm going to use this. Love it. Again, I use so many reformats, but I feel like reformat art is just hitting different right now. Especially with reformatted boxes, like in the new format. Everything just feels like extra special. Then I have the Freddy underlays and then this Crest Press foil bundle in Glimmer. But I figured I could do, the bougie underneath the bats. It's going to be a beautiful vibe. I was going to use pumpkin with this, but I think that this matches better. It's a little bit of a darker orange. And then I kind of got I didn't use pumpkin all month because I feel like that was starting to be a little bit of a problem. So that, my friends, is everything for this month. I'm so excited for my kit. Whoa. Let's get it together. For my kit lineup for my spooky season, I'm going to tell you right now, Christmas is going to be hard because literally I have 4 weeks to mess with Christmas. 4. Everything else has a set dedicated kit that is going to be used. I have a Thanksgiving kit because I really want to use the Friendsgiving, something that's really cute. I have Lila's birthday week. I have where we're going on a cruise. There's going to be New Year's week. One of these weeks is like basically 1 week of November. Was there another week that I was like, oh, hold on, let me check my... No, that's it. But like that right there is 3 weeks. And I only have a couple left, and I already have holiday prep slotted in. But I told myself that if there's too many released, I'll move holiday prep probably to like the first week of January. I think that'd be really cute for that as well. So that's everything. Are we twinning any weeks? Are we using any of the same foil combos? Let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video, and I will talk to you in my next one.